Hello everyone. Just trying to get some documentation of my um, Saturday after lunch, right? And from my room, I'd love to, to go to my one of the one of my favorite place in my uh, balay, and that is my tree house, right? Okay, so I am planning to do some decoration. Okay, um, right, so akong buhaton ay saka ko dia, right there, and I need to do some extra careful, right? Kaya basin mataga ko, and I'll get some view at the top. All right, so let's do it here, right? Oh, okay, here. So I'm trying to, I don't have a cameraman, so I'm trying to do it my own. Right. Whew. Pagkalisod din pag-YouTuber ta. So this is now my view. All right, that's it. Okay. So that's my garage in there for my Ford. Nice view. All right, that's our gate. Oh, wow, it looks manok. So I need to step in there. All right, so this one back and back. All right, and then I'll go in here. It's wonderful. Ang naman ni manok diri. Ang itlog. Look at that. See? So na rin itlog sa manok. So I need to get inside. Okay. Oh my god. So kinanglan ni. Oh. Uyog man. Okay. Kuning kwaon. Kuning balik diri. This. Look at this. Alright. There's so many in there. Plus, na itlog sa pati sa mani. The smaller one. This is now the top view. Okay, so all right, so that's it. Okay, so it's the view. All right. Ang akong atop resulta pa ni sa Yolanda agin ma lugar og pintal tanan. So this is my tree house. Okay, muna akong lingkuranan, and look at this. Okay, that's my gate. Sometimes ako ni gamiton murag tower house ba. Kita na kung siya kung mabisita kang. Okay, so in here. All right. So nice view. Bruh. So giana na dia. Okay. So going to Libertad, and there going to the main road of Nailon. Okay. So this is my favorite place. All right. And actually most of the time kung na ako'y pangayoon sa Ginoo, diri na ko pangayoon. Alright. Okay. So nice. The view is so nice. Alright. Yeah. So this is my tree house. Alright. Oh. So lain nagtrabaho dito sa unahan. Uyog lagi, marag nag-earthquake. Okay. So wonderful view. So nice. This is the top view. Supposedly naaron diyan ako mga pati, but I don't know kung asaron sila. Alright. So that's it. Okay. So nice. Just trying to check the. Actually kung wala lang tanang kahoy ning labong lang gid ang kuan ang Gimelina in front, you can see the incoming visitors or kanang moagi diri napita long way from here. Kita na nato daan, but yung labong mga tanom, so that's why we cannot really see that part. Right. So that's it. So refreshing ang hangin diri, grabe gid ka presko. Okay, super ka presko niya. Look at that. Oh, motorcycle magi asay coming diri. Okay, by the way, that's our gate in there. Oh, pindot siya. Look at this. Okay, so look at that. Sila kalibutan nga na ako dito sa babaw. See, it's a tower house actually. My tree house, and at the same time nagpalit na og kuan sa kong feed sa akong quail birds, no? That's it. So way kalibutan. So you can use this tree house as a watch house also, right? Especially in the evening, you know? Look at that. So basically kalibutan. Okay, I trying to get some documentation in here. It, no? So muna na kanindot sa country house nya na ako diri magstay usually during evening. Okay, presko king hangin unya, so relaxing, right? And this tree house also is you know, properly set up. Ako bigat tanom aning neem tree, I mean. So I did some cuttings of the branches just to accommodate one single tree house at the top, right? So this is beside the barangay road of Nailon. No, that's it. Right. So I'm trying to tour you around my tree house. Just a very, small tree house, but you can sleep in here. Pwede matug sa una, diri ka matug. Pero dili lang na ko magwantang katugnaw. Okay, grabe jud ka bugnaw diri. Alright. I think I am good as I'm in a 3-story building or 2-story building. Roof. Oh, ang yung gilayon gikan sa taas. Alright. So, that's it. Okay. Top 2.